Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be making banoffee pie pudding. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm gonna take a bowl of bananas. Now I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix it thoroughly. You have to ensure that the bananas are fully coated in lemon juice, and then add in a tablespoon of honey and then mix it again. And then let's add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using here 1/4 tablespoon of measurement. So we have to mix it until the bananas are combined in this mixture. So let's keep it aside, and then we have to take our dulce de leche. I have made this dulce de leche from scratch, and I'll provide the link in the description box below, or you can click the card above. You can also use the store-bought caramel sauce, and we need this kind of consistency or the thicker version. And now we need 4 tablespoons of milk, and I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and then stir it until the sugar combines with the milk. So now let's take a glass tray, and then we are gonna add in a layer of butter cookies. You can use any cookies you prefer, or you can use digestive biscuits or Marie biscuit too. I like these cookies because we don't have to add in more butter. If you're using digestive biscuit or Marie biscuit, then you have to add in 2 tablespoons of butter and combine it. I'm gonna add in milk, or you can just soak the biscuit in the milk and add the layer. I find it easy this way. And I'm gonna add in the prepared bananas. And I'll be adding in half of them. Now we have to go ahead with our toffee layer. Make sure to spread it evenly. Now I'm gonna add in few cookies again. If you like your cookies crunchy, then don't dip it in the milk mixture. Add in the rest of the bananas. Now I will refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Now in a bowl I have taken 2 egg yolks, and I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then after mixing the egg yolk with the sugar, you have to add in a tablespoon of dulce de leche. Then mix it again. Then we have to add in a tablespoon of flour. You can use any flour. I'm using cake flour here. Then here you can add in your leftover milk mixture if you have it. The leftover milk mixture depends upon the cookies you use. So mine, I have 2 tablespoons leftover milk, and I am adding in a banana in it. I have sliced a banana, so I am adding in that. Now mix this mixture thoroughly. Transferring this mixture into a saucepan to make the custard. And now I'm going to add in a cup of milk. Now stir it evenly before heating the pan. And cause I'm using a non-stick pan, I'm using a wooden ladle. Now let's go to the stove and cook the custard. Ensure that you stir it continuously because we don't need scrambled eggs in our custard, and you can see that my custard is getting thicker, and your custard is done when it coats the ladle, the wooden spoon you're using. So let's remove it from the heat and keep it aside to cool down completely. Now I'm going to make meringue, and I have taken 2 egg whites and I'm going to beat it. When the meringue comes to a frothy mixture, you have to add in a tablespoon of sugar. Then again beat it until you get stiff peaks. And here I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of meringue powder just to keep it more stable enough. So I have got stiff peaks in my meringue. Now let's keep the meringue aside and beat the custard just to make it more fluffier. Now let's take the tray from the refrigerator and add in the custard layer. Spread it evenly and go ahead with the meringue. And above this I will be adding in the toffee sauce just to flavor the meringue. Okay my viewer, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will get notified with my further videos. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm giving such tries just to make the meringue have a toffee flavor. Now let's keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Then I'm decorating it with the chocolate ganache, or you can use the same toffee sauce. Now let's refrigerate it for 4 hours. So I have taken out from the refrigerator, and please serve it cold. I hope you all will try this recipe at home, and please tell your opinion in my comment section below. Thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.